Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you unbind your Bitget exchange account from Bitget Wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget Wallet application, and after that you will get to see a bunch of options into this homepage. Now you just simply have to select this 4 circled icon into the top left corner, tap into that, and then you will get this option of bind Bitget exchange account, which is bound into mine. Just simply select this section, and then you will get this option of unbind. Tap into unbind, and after that tap to confirm in order to unbind Bitget exchange account. Simply do this, but you can do this only once per 30 days. Just simply confirm it if you'd like to, and then enter your passkey. Just simply do this and you are successfully unbound your Bitget exchange account. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.